How to activate Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can go ahead and then activate your Facebook account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to activate your Facebook account maybe after you have deactivated, or maybe you try to schedule it for deletion, it's very simple, but keep in mind that if it has been 30 days after you try to delete it and you didn't try to log in within those 30 days, it is highly likely that your Facebook account has already deleted. So you just have to keep that in mind. However, if you reactivate it, there is no just time frame, because you can log in any back time and then you can go ahead and get back access to your account. So in order to reactivate our Facebook account, we have to open that and launch the Facebook application, and we just have to go about logging in normally as we would do if our account existed. So just go ahead and log in normally by entering your email and password, and you can still logging in. Sometimes it may ask you that do you really want to go ahead and then actually activate your Facebook account. Well, in that case you have to simply confirm the changes, but if you just reactivated it, sometimes it may not ask and directly just log in you without any notification or so on. But just keep in mind that you must try to log in with the same email and password that you will try to delete your account before, and after you log in it might give you some pop-up questions and so on. If it says there are no matching credentials found, then it could be that your account has already been permanently deleted. That's all it takes to activate your Facebook account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.